tangle this bitch up like a dumbass. I have lost all fishing skills. Cause nigga, I damn near don't know how to fish. But we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. Get this right. Get that off there. I bet. Reel this bitch out. How y'all doing today, YouTube, man? You know, it's your boy SIAHS, man. Gonna see if something biting, man. Gonna cast over there into where that shit flowing at. See if we can not get a bite. We're gonna go over here. Cast out that way. Get in the middle. Get that bit in on it. It's peaceful, man. I love nature. No, it's a fishing pole, nigga. That bitch hard, boy. I want to show people how life goes, how the cycle goes, man. As you can see, for people that don't want to see it, I'm sorry, but you know, we got one there. We got probably two here, 2 or 1, but that's how life goes, man. Look at the nature though, man. Look at the nature, it's so beautiful out here. Look at the sun. Yeah, man. Yo ass in the water? You in the water? Catch anything? Huh? You catch anything? Hell no.
I'm about to try a different lure.
Where you finna go?
Usually by this tree right here, I catch it up by the trees. There's eggs over there, bro. Don't fuck with that shit. Right there.
Eggs?
Yeah, big ass goose egg.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Damn, it's a bone in that bitch. cold as fuck. Damn. Oh, shit. Yeah, them big as hell.
That's why I was watching out at first. Really attached.
Fucking goose eggs, boy. Damn, them bitches huge. I wonder where that bitch at.
What?
The goose.
Down there.
You seen it?
Yeah, where I was at, you heard them, and they wouldn't leave that spot.
My
Real Kobe B shit.
water cold as hell. Don't do this at home, man. Don't try this at home, man. We are not professionals. We're just dumbasses. There's a difference. Promise you, my feet are cold as fuck. Damn. Put a lure in from the shore for a minute. I mean, for the cast from the shore. Woo-wee. Yeah! I got a stick in my hair. It must be deep as hell by that tree. See if I can catch some shit. Oh, fuck. My feet got heartburn right now. On there. And that nigga has a fat ass chin. He ugly as hell. It's my nigga though. Out this bitch.
God, if I don't catch shit down here, we out this bitch. Might chop that coyote head off.
Goddamn sharp chin.
How long is your chin for real?
My shit not that long. I know that damn water is fucking you. That shit fucking me, bro. When I step in this bitch, I'm not trying to slip and bust my shit. What you gonna do if I slip and crack my shit?
I guess I'm about to carry you up. That's gonna be a lot of head to carry.
Huh? Fuck. My axe. I could got my axe. Chop that little nigga head off. Put him in a plastic bag.
You dying, bro?
Fucking feet, nigga.
It is cold as fuck.
Let's go.
You the nigga that get cold and throw up?
Nah, cause I like the cold, but it's just this shit on my feet. It feel like it's
I hate my.
it's burning my damn feet. Man, you finna go through that stream, nigga? Oh, ass getting swept away.
Nah, it ain't strong.
You tripping?
Right there, shallow.
I'm a grown ass man, boy. What you fail to realize, boy. Damn.